Hello my dear friend, welcome to my channel, and in this video I am going to share with you how you can control who can someone message you. Okay, so if you think that you need maintain some um, control, then if you think that you don't want to uh, a lot of messages in your inbox, or if you change the settings who can message you on snack video, then you can easily do this. Okay, so this video is going to very interested to you. Just follow my step, then you will learn. Here you can see the snack video apps. Just click on the apps and you're getting this interface. So after that, here you can see the option, the bottom right corner. Click on this, and after that, here you can see the again we need to click here this option, sorry, this option, right, the middle one. And after that we need to find privacy settings, this one. Click on this, and after that we are getting this interface. Scroll down a little bit, then we can find the option message permission. Click on this, and after that here you can see three options: everyone, people I followed, friends. Okay, so everyone means everyone can send you a message, either they followed or your friends. Okay, or your friends, it doesn't matter. So if you select everyone, then everyone can message. If you select second one, people I followed, that means only those who you have followed, then they are able to message to you. And if you choose friend, then both of them or both of you have to follow each other, then you can message them, and they can message you also. So it depends on you how to change this option. So you can try it according to your interest. Okay, so friend, today is no more, and I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching this video.